more than this bucket. That is Azolla food. This is Azolla, pure Azolla. Azolla food. That is it. This is, you can see the first bucket is empty. Now we are going for a second one. Hello viewer, hello internet. Once again, welcome to my today's vlog. And before I start everything, let me thank you, my viewers, for your patronage, for being faithful. I'm heading to 1,000 subscribers, and this is courtesy of your support of my channel. Please continue watching, like my videos, promote this channel. We are heading far. In today's vlog, I want to bring to you, I want to show you a bit of incubation, how I hatch my chicken, how I hatch my chicks. And today I'm taking you into my secret chamber where I do it to show you the processes and the real thing happening real time as the chicks hatch. Come with me. Welcome to my secret chamber. This is where I do my hatchery, and with me here is a gadget, an incubator, an egg incubator, which has a capacity of 60. As you can see, it has a lid which has a room temperature of 38.2 degrees centigrade, and this is where we place the eggs. And now, as you can see, this is now real time. So what happens with this machine? What happens with this machine is a simple incubator which uses electricity. There is one which can be powered through battery or even solar. This machine costs around Kenya shillings 14,000, and its purpose is purely to hatch. You need one in your place. You don't need to hire incubators for you to do it. This is a simple incubator which is almost 100% efficient. In it, I place, it has a capacity of 60 eggs. Kuja Anthony. It has a capacity of 60 eggs. Nishikie here. In this, inside the incubator, you place your not more than 7-day-old eggs. And if you see the eggs, you'll see I've marked side A and side B. This is simply because this incubator is not automated. This incubator is not automated. This incubator, you turn it with your own hands. The first 7 days, in the morning, you place your egg on side A, and in the evening, side B, as they warm. So it contained 60, and I've so far hatched. You can see the fruit of my work. These are now day-old chicks, and I'll show you more in the next chamber after I hatch them from here where I take them. These are now day-old chicks. These are eggs which are almost hatching. As you can see, there is one here which is struggling to come out. There is a live chick here which is struggling to come out, and many more here. So after placing them for 7 days, I mean turning each morning and each evening, side A and side B, you do it for 7 days, and then you leave them covered inside the incubator for another 14 days to total 21 days for it to hatch. So right now with me here are shells of the ones which I've hatched today, These are all eggs, I mean the shell of eggs, the eggs which I've hatched today, which I'm placing here because I'm actually progressing with the hatchery. And after the 21 days, and after hatching, now I transfer them to another chamber. So for now, actually, let me transfer these two. Bwana Anthony, shika hizi. And then I cover for the process to continue. It requires room temperature. It requires normal body temperature, 38.2 degrees, for it to give it the ultimate warmth. In this cover, as you can see, there are knobs here for ventilation, and there is a fan which rotates so that it distributes the warmth, the heat equally into the incubator. Down here under the eggs, you place some water, a bit of water to a level which is marked somewhere here, so that we achieve, you make the weather, I mean the atmosphere inside the incubator conducive for 100% hatchery. So from here, I bring my chicks to a box. I've done this box for purposes of making sure that I keep them at the right hygiene before now transferring them to their respective chicken pens. So this is the box which I have devised some electricity for purposes of warming the day-old chicks. So karibia ndani gone. This is now what I've managed. These are the day-old chicks. Now let me place them inside to where their brothers and sisters are. These are day-old chicks which I've hatched today. As you can see, the process is ongoing. And then immediately after hatching, as you can see here, I have a pot, a device here, a homemade pot, which, if you show them inside, I place charcoal and create some fire to give them warmth. So this is a homemade pot which I place here for purposes of providing warmth to my chicks. Then there is a feeder here, another feeder here, which really needs to be covered for them to start eating right away. I have water, sufficient water, fresh water, for purposes of them feeding. Right now they are not cramped at that corner. They are doing it just for the sake of their feeding. But they are okay. When immediately we leave here, they'll spread all over here. This bulb is actually equally supposed to complement the heat in this box for 100% perfection. Immediately, Bwana Anthony, say hi to viewers once again. This is my good friend Anthony. Salimia, he helps me in so many ways and taking care of what we do here at Michorani Farm. Bwana Anthony, day one after they hatch, what do you give them? You give them some glucose and chick start. Yes. This chick start, some kind of water-soluble powder for energy on day one, and then we have glucose for energy and fast growth. So those are the two components you add into the water, and within 15 days, this will be big enough chicks to now transfer them to the chicken pen. So, like I told you, this is to complement the heat. This is the box where I place them after removing them from the incubator here. And that is the process. With me here, I have some powder. This is chick start, the feed, which I start them off as they get wind to feeding other foods. And that's what I have for you, this clip today. Kindly continue subscribing and liking and sharing my videos to support this channel. For now, bye-bye for my secret chamber hatchery. Bye, it's me again.